Okay, good day. Good day, everyone. Okay, so if you notice, this is the last, this is my last example from doing the sum ifs and average ifs. So we just have to copy this one. Okay, so what we'll be discussing today is how do we how do we make a pivot table out of this data? Okay, how do we make a pivot table here? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have to select insert and then click the pivot table. Okay, so I think it's all covered. You have to check in here that's all of the data are covered. Okay, so I think it's already covered, and then just have to leave it that way, and then we have to click the new worksheet. Okay, so this is now the pivot table. So for example, we wanted to know the segment. So segment is replace it on the rows, and then for the segment we wanted to know the sales. Yeah, sum, and then the COGS, and then the profit. Okay, so that's it. So this is the total, the sum. Have you noticed that it totals all of the data in the worksheet? Okay, okay. See that? You can also change in here the total, here the value settings. We can do a lot from here. We can count. If we count this one, it will count all of the occupied cell in the column of sales. Click, yeah, it has 100 for channel partners, but we really don't want to be seen like this, like we just count all of the occurrence of the transaction. So the average, and click here, just have to click average, and then there, this is the average. And also if I wanted to, just have to click the value file settings. Okay, so the max, okay, this is the max. Okay, so this is the max of sales. Okay, so you can also check the minimum. This is the minimum sales. That's the minimum data. Okay, so you can product. Yeah, it doesn't appear because it's not clickable. Okay, so what's the use of here is we can sum it all in just that. Okay, we can also align this one. We can have it in here. Okay, just have to change that one, or we can also change this. We can also sort the smallest to largest. There, sorted already. And then you can also show values by percentage. Okay, so for example, we wanted to percentage. Yeah, this is the percentage of the sum of sales. So mostly 44% are from the government. and then 35% of it are small businesses, and then the lowest among the sales is the channel partners. So the government is the one who is the number one customer, seconded by the small businesses. Okay, so let's have to turn that back there. Okay, so now we understand how it is done, and then also we can also do this one. If you wanted to show the other data, you can show here. It's a country. Okay, you change from Canada, and if you wanted to see percentage of the percentage of this, okay, so there. So the number one who was giving sales is United States, and then seconded by France, and then next is Germany. I mean Canada. Then there. So that's the composition of that. Just have to turn that back. Okay. So you can also select here by product. Okay. So there. So this is the product. Velo, Pasio, Montana. Because you just have to change this one to show values by. What happens to this? It becomes percentage. There. Oops. Okay, there. So we can also edit this one by just clicking in here. Then you just have to add all of the numbers here. Just have to select the rows and then the values. You can also select filters like this, country. Then we just have to add, let's say, Canada. This is the sales for Canada. See? And then we wanted to choose Mexico. Yeah, this is the sales for Mexico. Okay, so there are a lot of, this is more convenient than doing the sum if and sum ifs, I think. And I always do this in my reports. Whenever I analyze big data, I always do this pivot table for me to summarize all of the data in this kind of big, this kind of very, can be, your mind will, your eyes be will be having a doubt how do you analyze all of this, and if you just add this one, it just doesn't make sense. You just have to add pivot so you can have a true picture from that, like this. And then you just have to make it off sometimes. Okay, so there, that's the use of pivot table. You can also do this by, you can edit this one. That it's a I wanted to copy this one and then have it copied to other tables or to other sheets. Okay, so we just have to add another sheet. Let's say, let's get another sheet there. You just have to right click and then paste the special values there. See, it has a, you can have this one like, yeah, channel partners, the segment. Okay. So you have this one. You just have to select all of this. Okay, so you can actually do what you want with that, and you can have it copied here and then also copy, let's say I have to remove the country, let's say by product. So you can copy this one, and then you can do a lot of things there. You can send it to your boss there. Okay, so those were the amazing things you can do with the pivot table. This is very useful in analyzing and summarizing big data. Okay, so I hope you have learned today from me on how to make use of the pivot table. Thank you.